In the vast expanse of a farm, a group of mysterious creatures is subtly reshaping our culinary culture. Today, I'm taking you on a journey through every nook and cranny of a crocodile farm, unveiling the astonishing techniques and secrets behind crocodile farming. In a secluded area of the farm, we see mother crocodiles nesting. Even within the controlled environment of the farm, these mothers are highly vigilant, making egg collection a challenging endeavor. Incubating crocodiles is a science in itself. Did you know, the temperature at which crocodile eggs are incubated determines the gender of the hatchling? Inside these specialized incubators, every egg receives the optimal conditions for hatching. These newly hatched crocs might be small in stature, but their will to survive is enormous. Initially fed with small fish, every bite counts towards their growth and survival. As time flies, in just 3 months, these little ones have grown substantially. They now dwell in larger ponds and begin to consume a diverse diet, including specially formulated feeds, which are crucial for their development. A year on, these crocodiles have reached the ideal size for harvest. experts ensure that the harvesting process adheres to international humane standards, safeguarding the rights of these creatures. Skilled workers transport the crocs to the processing facility. Post-slaughter and segmentation. Every part is utilized to its utmost value, bringing the finest products to the market. Crocodile skin undergoes a series of treatments: desalination, soaking, tanning, and dyeing, gradually transforming it into precious leather goods. This leather is not only a mainstay in luxury items but also a favored material for artisans. Beyond the leather, crocodile meat is a true delicacy. Post-processing. It's sometimes turned into sausages or meatballs for a unique culinary experience. On this journey, we've witnessed the complete life cycle of a crocodile, from a tiny egg to a valuable commodity. If this journey intrigued you or sparked any thoughts, please share your insights in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and take others on this adventure. Let more people know the tale behind the Crocodile Farm.